In this video, we will talk about one-step inequalities. So one difference between solving an inequality and solving an equation is that when you multiply or divide by a negative number to get x by itself, then you flip the symbol. So if it is greater than, you flip it to less than. If it is less than, you flip it to greater than. So they would flip. So let's take a look at the first problem. X divided by, so this means divided by, -6 is greater than 7. So the opposite of division is multiplication by a -6. Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. So these cancel. And since it's a negative sign here, we are multiplying by, this symbol switches. So now we just have x, and 7 times -6 is -42. In our next example, we have 3x less than or equal to -4. Since it's 3 times x, we're going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. And x is less than or equal to -4/3. Notice that we did not flip the symbol because the number we divided by, 3, is not negative. It does not matter what the number is on the other side. It's the number that's with the x that will flip the symbol. So let's look at solving our third problem. So here we have x, and we have to add, so we subtract 10 from both sides. So -5 minus 10 is -15, less than 10 minus 10 is 0, so we just have x. And our final example is we have x minus 8 less than or equal to -2. So we're going to add 8, and x is less than or equal to -2 plus 8 is 6. So notice the only time we flipped the symbol was when we were multiplying by a negative. We can add and subtract negatives, that's fine, but once we multiply or divide by a negative, we have to flip the symbol.